What version of you are you quietly building right now? Yeah. Come on in, babes. Come on in. And that is the question on my heart this morning. What is the version that you have been quietly building all along? Gently, truly, honestly, please, let's have a genuine chat. What version of you is quietly being built right now? Before the world gets your energy, your body needs your presence. What version of you is being quietly built right now? Grab your coffees, babes. Come on in. Get your feet on the floor. We are rising. We are feeling. We are flowing this morning. Forgiveness, love, oneness, and worthiness. How's everyone doing? Let's be grateful together for this presence of body, this presence of mind, this time together. We have our coffees, we have our gratitudes. Hands on hearts, babes. Hands on belly. Big inhale. And a long exhale. Let's go again. Bringing that energy into our throat and lungs. Breathing in. Let's inhale. I am. Activate our beautiful I am energetic body. I am so happy and grateful just to be here. Yes, I am. I am so happy and grateful just to be here. Exhale. I am safe enough to begin. There we go. You see, it's our responsibility each and every morning to rise and shine, go to work for ourselves first before going to work for anyone else. Let's talk about the things out loud that maybe we don't talk about enough. Yeah, I'm here. I'm safe. I'm safe enough to begin. All right, friends. Let's roll our shoulders back. Come on in. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's unclench our jaw. Release the tongue. Unclench the jaw. Let the tongue rest from the top of the mouth for a second. Central meridian, just rest. Let your body arrive. Let's let the body arrive before the mind starts planning. Let's just be, okay? Let's place our gratitudes down, friends. The question I asked when I first came on this morning was, what version of you was quietly being built all along? Manifestation question of the morning, friends, because before the world gets our energy, our body gets our presence. And this morning's presence is calling me into an early 20-year-old version of Tasha sitting in the window of 49. So yeah, just rest. Let's rest the body before the mind starts going. Let's just be. Yeah, it's our responsibility to go find those energy leaks. Let's connect in with source. Let's connect in with our bodies.